Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another Q&A. This week a little bit late, but better late than never, right? I'm aware it's been a crazy month for a lot of people, March. It has been for me as well, so that's why I'm a little bit late this week. I'm so sorry, but here I am with your questions, and the question I'm going to answer this week is coming from Turkey. And just let me talk 1 second about Turkey, because as you probably know, the situation over there at the moment is a little bit complicated. And we're doing a workshop in Istanbul from the 9th till the 11th of May. And we're going to carry on with the workshop. And also we want to encourage local actors to come. So please, if you're in Turkey, in Istanbul, you live there and you are interested in coming, send us an email, because we're working on a special rate for local actors. We know that at the moment things are complicated and the currency is going down, so we want to give you an incentive so you can still come and keep exploring this wonderful world of Michael Chekhov, and which is most important, your authentic and real creativity, the real actor within you, because the world more than ever needs artists. I had a Russian teacher who used to say to us, there will be a moment when the only thing that can save the world is art, and I think we are approaching that moment now. So yes, please do send us an email if you're in Istanbul and you're interested regarding the special rates for local actors, and I hope to see you there in May. It's going to be a great workshop. Now, the question that it's coming from Istanbul, from Turkey, sorry, this week, it says, how do I make Michael Chekhov simple? I'm gonna try to be brief, okay? Michael Chekhov is about, it's not a method, it's a technique. That's most important to understand. So when you're reading his book or you're doing his exercises, never take it as a formula, and never take it as, this is how you do acting, and this is how I become a great actor. No. Michael Chekhov was able to give us an artistic vocabulary for us to understand in an imaginative way the principles that are operating in life, and with which life it's reinventing or creating itself. The principles that make this existence, this material 3D we live in, go on. These principles, most of you know them already. One that I can think of, for example, is expansion and contraction. So he would suggest to use this principle that we find in nature, in ourselves. We use it every day when you're breathing, or when you inhale or you exhale. In nature, during the seasons, I can think winter is maximum contraction, and then we're going to spring. There's movement. We're fighting this contraction, and there is wind and storms and sun and rain, and then we're going to maximum expansion, which is summer. It's more still and flat and wide, and then we start to change over into contracting again, autumn. Things fall and go into contraction, into maximum contraction again, winter. Yeah, so I can use this, for example, to go from I'm expanding and I'm very happy, I'm very excited to tell you this, and then I can suddenly start to contract, because I maybe got an intrusive thought that it's telling me, Inigo, this video you're doing is actually shit. No one cares. And I don't even feel like looking at you, you know. I'm using contraction right now, and I want to expand and say, but I can't. For example, okay, so this exercise, it's already giving me a psychophysical experience, and it's already preparing the soil for feelings, emotions, situations, characters to come. I don't think them, I don't remember them, I don't try to recreate them, I create them in the moment. Yeah. So Michael Chekhov is about giving the actor these exercises so the actor can create something artistic, objective in the moment. Objective because I'm doing it, in this case, expansion, contraction. I'm actually doing it to the air. I'm thinning the air, and then I change over to thickening the air. You see? because I'm doing it with the air, it's subjective, and I'm changing the atmosphere in the room, and I'm creating a different reality in the room, on set or in front of the camera. So how do you know you are using imagination? That's what Michael Chekhov encouraged, instead of the intellect or your memories. Or when you are connected with a world of imagination, which is the world of potential, or what quantum physics call the quantum field, it's easy, it flows, you're not doing it, it's being done to you, you're rather receiving it, you prepare the soil for something to happen, you do the expansion and then all sorts of things come to you, you do the contraction and all sorts of things come to you, and those things that come to you are your action fuel. So it's easy, you're surprised by what comes, it feels objective and joyful. Objective in the sense that you're doing it out there in number 3, and you're changing, your perception of the world is changing as you do it, and the world's perception of you is changing as well, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's how you do it. Don't think it's a formula, don't think there are steps to follow to get a specific result. And if the exercises don't give you a psychophysical experience, then it's not working out for you. So just take what works for you. Yeah? Okay, well, I hope this helps, and I hope to see you next week with a new question. Please, well, I don't hope, I will see you next week with a new question. Please keep commenting and liking and subscribing and all of that. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next week with another question. Thanks. Bye.